Paris Hilton is fostering a dog surrendered during the devastating Los Angeles wildfires, despite having lost her own Malibu home in the infernos. The 43-year-old media personality shared her plans on Instagram, revealing her commitment to helping displaced animals while volunteering at the Pasadena Humane Society. In an emotional video, Hilton announced that she would be fostering a dog named Zuzu, whose family was forced to give her up due to the fire. "We're gonna go and see if there are any other dogs who are still looking for their owners," she said, emphasizing the importance of supporting affected animals. Despite her loss, she remains focused on helping others, encouraging donations to support displaced pets and families impacted by the wildfires.